Set yourself apart. You know what I heard about your company? A client walks into your lobby, and they're sitting there waiting, and someone says, hey, would you like a cup of tea or coffee or water? Yeah, I'll have a cup of coffee, please, black. Don't bring out the styrofoam cup. Don't even bring out the mug. China? China in a saucer? That's unheard of. Let me tell you something. Your client's sitting in there waiting to see someone, and all of a sudden that coffee comes, and it's in that china, that teacup, and they look at it, and right that moment, the grade edges up. It edges up. They might not even realize it's happening, but it's edging up. Now get this next part. But guess what else is edging up? Expectations. Oh, this is the way they do things here. So when they interact with you, you have to be the china cup. You have to be different than everyone else with your service.